Are you looking to get married somewhere tropical? Is a destination wedding even right for you? I've got 5 reasons why it is. Number 1, destination weddings are way less expensive and will save you a lot of money in the long run. By only inviting who you truly want to be there and only paying for the wedding day, you can significantly cut down on the overall cost. There are even turnkey solutions for destination weddings at all-inclusive resorts where all of the basics are covered, such as rates, rooms, and upgrades. Most of the brides and grooms that I've worked with have even gotten their rooms for free during their stay. Number 2, a relaxed vibe. One of the many perks that comes with a destination wedding is a more relaxed vibe for the entire event. The traditional items or choices that would be expected at home are less so when you're in beach mode. Rain on the day of your wedding? No problem. Most hotels will simply let you reschedule the wedding to a different time or a different day in order to avoid it. Number 3, it's a built-in vacation. Think about your last vacation. Now think about your last vacation with all of your closest friends and family. Having a destination wedding allows everyone to be on a vacation with you. Number 4, did anyone mention great weather? How about summer all year round? Depending on the destination you choose for your wedding, chances are really good that you're going to have more days of sunshine and warm weather than gloomy days. Number 5, and my personal favorite, how about epic photography? Do you like beautiful sunset lighting and pictures on a tropical beach? That can't hurt photos, right? Whether it's shades of turquoise with ocean views, white sandy beaches, or tropical flowers and foliage, there are so many opportunities for incredible pictures. Plus, it's going to give you the opportunity to bring home memories that will last you a lifetime. Now, to hear a little bit more about me and my services for a destination wedding, please feel free to contact me. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more content just like this.